Haitian business funding in 1,000 days, Republican style. Like and share and follow the page. Tagnan INC, FNR, consultant économique and spiritual. Let's go! Unlock your path to funding for your Haitian business under a Republican government in 1,000 days or less. Discover the top 5 steps for success. Sign up with Tagnan INC today for tailored consultation today. Are you a Haitian business that needs to get funded in 1,000 days or less? Funding can be tough, especially for Haitian minority-owned businesses, and you're facing new policy and limited resources. Is that correct? Well, here is the steps. The 5 actionable steps for Haitian business to secure funding under a changing policy in less than 1,000 days. It's a Republican government prioritizing small business. Wake up, let them know. And now, know the priority of the government or the regime. Build relationship with local community bank. Leverage SBA loan with strategic funding plans. Tap into federal state programs. You need to showcase long-term growth and economic impact. Tag9 is the solution you seek. Sign up today with Tag9 Consulting Services, a step-by-step guide. Access expert funding for compliancy and also for advice. A customized plan for growth, support and resources with SBA loan grant and banks relationship. That's a guarantee. Sign up with Tag9 today. This is your call to action. Take your first step right now and make the right move for expert guiding and book your consultation today and your roadmap to success. In the comment section, what funding challenges are you facing as an entrepreneur? How would funding help your business grow in the next 1,000 days under Republican government? Well, www.tag9inc.com. Get your Haitian business funding in 1,000 days or less. And if you want to be part of the WhatsApp group, 3 million is back. 3 million is back. Scan now.